irregular verbs. These are the conjugations of three important irregular verbs in the present tense, covering the affirmative, negative, and interrogative modes.
Mastering irregular verbs. Present tense. The verb to be am is are. Affirmative. I am happy. Negative. He is not tired. Interrogative. Are you okay? The verb to have. Have. Affirmative. I have a book. Negative. She does not have a cat. Interrogative. Does he have time? The verb can. Affirmative. I can swim. Negative. She cannot dance. Interrogative. Can they clean?